Hey everyone, it's James from Fun Foods, and today I'm going to show you how to make these Cookie Monster and Elmo cookies. So keep watching and I'll show you step by step how to make these. First thing we're going to do is in a large bowl we're going to put 2 2/3 cups of flour, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, half a teaspoon of baking powder, and whisk. Now just set this aside. So in a medium bowl I have 1 cup of softened butter. Now add 1.5 cups of sugar and cream. Add 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract and 1 large egg. And mix. Now add our wet ingredients to our dry ingredients. I should have really done it in reverse order and used the big bowl for the wet and the small bowl for the dry, but we're doing what we're doing. And mix it together. So just grab a handful, roll it into a ball, and place it on a cookie sheet. Now just bake these at 375 degrees Fahrenheit for 8 to 10 minutes. In a separate bowl I have half a cup of softened butter, and to that I'm going to add about 2 or 3 cups of powdered sugar, but a little bit at a time, about 1 cup at a time. And mix together. Now add about a half a teaspoon of vanilla extract and some blue food coloring. If it's a little too thick, you can add a little bit of milk. I say about a half a teaspoon at a time, not very much. Now just take our frosting and put it in a piping bag. Now this piping bag has a Wilton 233 tip on it, and that has these little things that look like fur or grass, just like so. So once our cookies have cooled, we're going to decorate them, putting our frosting on top. Now decorate our cookies with our frosting. Just kind of pull up. Next, we're going to take a Chips Ahoy cookie and cut it in half. We're going to use that as the mouth. It might be too big. Here, let's cut it a little more. I think that's a good size. Put that right like that. And then take these edible eyeballs and put right there. There we go. For the Elmo cookie frosting, we have half a cup of softened butter. I'm going to add to that 1 cup of powdered sugar. Probably going to add another cup of that. Mix this, cream this together. Half a teaspoon of vanilla extract, and a couple drops of red food coloring. A little bit of milk if it's still too thick. And fill our piping bag. Again, we're using the Wilton 233 tip. Now we're going to take an Oreo cookie and take it apart. And we just want to cut it in half. Just like that. This is going to be Elmo's mouth. And put his eyeballs. There we go. Well, now it's time for the taste test. I'm going to try out our Elmo cookie and see how it tastes. So good. Well, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed watching me make these Cookie Monster and Elmo cookies. If you enjoyed this video, hit that like button. Also, hit that big red subscribe button if you're not already subscribed to get new videos all the time. Be sure to check out this video right here. And until then, I'll see you next time. In a separate bowl, I have 1 cup of powdered sugar. So in a separate bowl, I have, now for the Elmo cookies, we have, for the Elmo cookie frosting, we have